What's up, peeps? Now just chilling here a little bit. Not doing so well this week. If you guys are wondering how I broke my arm, I'm going to make a long story short. Basically, my front tire on my bike locked up. I flew about 5 feet, landed on my hands, and broke my scaphoid and my ulna. Well, I didn't break my ulna. I fractured my ulna, but I broke my scaphoid. If you're wondering what the hell a scaphoid is, it's that little bone in your wrist. And, well, the ulna is that one bone. I'm just chilling here with me and the puppy Marlo. That's my puppy. He's about a month and 2 weeks. And just kind of, relaxing, taking it easy since I got a little thing right here. You know what I'm saying? But my question for you guys today is, what is the most embarrassing moment you have ever experienced? Let me know. Leave comments, send me a message. You know, if you haven't added me as a friend, do so. Click that subscribe button. You know. But I'll get back to you if you send me a message or post. But hey, like I said, not so big on this. That was about my embarrassing moment this week. So for now, I will let you guys go, but I will be making more videos as soon as I can. So I will talk to you all later. Peace.